This is going to be a quick video to show you how to properly deflate and put away your paddleboard. While luckily it's much easier than you would think, at first it's going to be pretty confusing. First off, you remove any removable fins. Then you lay the board flat, open the valve located on the rear surface of the board, push the center button inwards, twist, and lock it in place. This will remove the air without needing to press and hold onto it. Air will then rapidly escape, but a large portion will have to be manually removed. Therefore, begin slowly rolling the SUP starting at the top, roll it tightly and as straight as you can while removing the excess air. I push down at the rolled portion with my hands or knees. You shouldn't have any problems fitting it in the bag if it's rolled straight and all of the air is out. Lastly, put the remaining components in the bag, including the fin, paddles, pump, and whatever else you have. And that's it. That's how you deflate a SUP paddleboard. Quite easy. But inflating a paddleboard can be annoying if you do it manually. I know this is random, but I recommend using an electric air pump for your SUP. I believe it's well worth it. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped. This channel is all about hiking and adventure. If you like that stuff, subscribe. And if you want some merch to remind you to hike, adventure, and live more in real life, check out our merch in the description below. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.